In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a free landing page with Google Sites. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So first thing you want to do is open up a web browser and simply go to sites.google.com. And now from here, we will be redirected to this page. And as you can see, there are different kinds of templates right here. So we want to create a landing page. So first, let's head over to template gallery and see if there is a template that suits our landing page style. So as you can see, there are templates for education, for small business, for work, personal, but I don't think there is a template right here that suits our needs to create a landing page. So let's just proceed on creating a blank site. Now it would look something like this. Now, of course, the first thing that we want to do is to change our page title. So you can add your page title right here, or in my case, I'm just going to delete this. And we want to change the header right here. So if you want to change the header or the photo right here in the top with your own photo, you can click here on image and click on upload. But if you don't have a image to upload, you can simply click here on select. And in photos, you can, of course, you can simply search for photos or Google Images. So let's search for photography. And of course, you'll see a bunch of different images right here. So let's say this, click on insert. And as you can see, we have changed our header. Now it looks like this. And of course, right here, we can always change our header style or header type. So let's say we want to change it as cover. You will see that the size have changed. You can change it to large banner or title only. Of course, we're just going to use banner. Now let's add our title names. I'm just going to add here test and make it at the center. You can also change the font style right here. You can change it to bold. Also change the font style. That. You can see. So now what we want to focus is right here in the right hand side. So you can insert text box, images, embed, or in Google Drive. You can also add content blocks, as you can see right there. So as you can see, let's just add in a social media photo right here. So let's see social media logo. And then for text logo, so let's say this. Let's just use this. Save it. Let's go back and add it right here. Upload. Like that. But of course, you can select a photo that doesn't have this squares at the back. So let's say social media. Now we can add texts right here. So Facebook. Of course, let's just change the font to something like this. And then next is Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, or X, something like that. And now I want to go to the right hand side and select social links. So now let's first add image. So let's click on select. Google Images, let's say Facebook logo. Select the Facebook logo right here, click on insert. And again, Instagram logo. On insert. And again, TikTok. This one on insert. And now simply add the links to your accounts right here. So let's say I'm going to go to my account. This link on insert. So let's just move it right here. This part. Or still depends on how you want to design it. So let's just remove this because we already have this uh, logo. So now whenever people click on this Facebook logo in your landing page, they will be automatically be redirected to your Facebook page or Facebook account page. So that's basically how you can create landing page. So I won't be really designing it that much. So you get the point on what I'm trying to say. So just put all of your social media right here. So whenever people click this, it will be redirected to your Facebook page or profile. So now when you're all set and done with editing your landing page, you can now click here on the top left and make a title for your landing page. So let's say social media. Now when you're done, just click on publish in the top right. And now you want to add a web address. So let's say so like that. And you can also check this, request public search engines to not display my site. Just going to click that, click on publish. And now your site has been published successfully. And this is how it would look like. As you can see, when I'm going to click on this Facebook button, it will redirect me to my profile page. So that's basically it. That's basically how you can create landing pages or create free landing page with Google Sites. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.